Marine. That's how
9:30 p.m. at gate 4. A severe thunderstorm was detected near Germantown and was moving east at 5 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Montgomery Village, Damascus, Olney. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging wind gusts, large hail and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. Move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. Now for the National Weather Service.